I'm on to a pretty good cod here. There it is. Whoa! I've gotten off my yak to kind of get him in from the shore. Good fish. That rod. He's got some pretty good power. Got him right up at the top of the waterfall. He's just going for it. He's strong. He's a strong fish. I'm going to try and keep him away from that rock in the middle there, just keep him in this pool. Now, I like to get off the kayak like a really big one just because if I get too much angle on them on top, and then they can run under the boat, stuff like that. Big shit, a little fly tide last night, well, not little, rather large fly tide last night. Here it comes. Oh, this is a big fish. This is a cod and a half. Basically, what I want to do with this fish is gently get it in, the lip grips onto it, if it ever wants to come up, which it does not. This is a very, very strong fish. Give you a look at it here. Check this out for a cod. Oh, oh he's strong. He's a strong fish. It's pretty exciting. Let's see if I can't get the lip grips on him. He's starting to tire a little bit. Oh, he's in my pocket now. I'm basically, when I am going to land him, I'm going to leave him in the water for as long as I can. I only want to just quickly get him on the wet brag mat for a minute. Hopefully that's saying I do land him, fingers crossed here. See if I can get some underwater footage of him maybe. Come on, head up. Head up. That's it, mate. Come on. Oh, it's a 4.5. Look at that rod bend. Look at that. I've got it braced against my forearm there because he does not want to come up. Oh, he's going for a run. Yeah, he's woken up. He's waking up. This is a very, very strong fish. I'd have to get back in the kayak to get downstream of him or something like that, but what a big fella. This is awesome. What I'm going to try and do is just lead him over here gently rather than giving too much pressure. See, he's just going to come up against the current. Just trying to get in under a rock there. I can feel him. I can see him more important right there. Here we go. Head up. Might try and beach him instead of lip gripping him and then lip grip him when I've got him on the beach. But he's still very strong. Not giving up. There he is there. This is strong. Jeez, they're just muscle. They're just nothing but muscle and tail. Get him up close here. Mouth open. Lip grips in. There he is. Look at that. Beautiful. How about that? What a beautiful fish. We'll get the brag mat out, get him on it, get a photo, and then quickly get him back in the water. Look at him, he is pretty. Okay, so, been resting him this whole time. Such a nice fish. Look at that, just paddled up here on my Hobie. Beautiful bidgie. Got him on the good old 8-weight Loomis there. Fly. It's a pretty awesome fish to catch on fly. It's really, really great fun, and you know, of course, you want to do the right thing and let it head home. Just gotta find that hook. Got the Muscrat fly sitting in there. Well, came out nice. The fly did the damage. A little, oh, not a little, a rather large mix Muscrat thingo that I invented sometime last night. And you see him, he's a good fish. And we'll let him go home now. Keep a good eye on him. Here he is. We'll say farewell to Mr. Cod. That's a nice fish to catch. That's awesome. I'm going home now. I've had a good day.